Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. Today we're going to show you how to clean and maintain the group head on your Profitec Pro 800. The tools that you are going to need: a group head brush, a flathead screwdriver, and replacement gasket for your group head. Your Profitec Pro 800 is a lever machine. You will not need to do a back flush as you would on other pump-driven machines. At the end of your daily routine, you can simply pull the lever down, flush hot water through the group, and that will clear out coffee, grounds, and oils that are up in that group head. You do not want to use any detergent in the group head itself. Your daily routine should look just like this. Aside from your daily flushing of the group, you'll want to, on a 2 to 4 week basis, soak and clean the parts that can come out of the group here, which that would be our screen and portafilter. You can pop those out. And we're going to be doing a soak with the Cafiza. We can pop the screen up in the group head and gasket out very easily. It slides right out. The gasket slides right off. This is a rubber gasket. You do not want to clean this in the Cafiza. You can just wipe it down with a towel. So we'll take a small scoop of the detergent, drop that in, and we'll fill this with some hot water. So now we can soak all of the parts that came out of the group head, our group head basket, our screen, and the portafilter itself. Just the head can just rest in there. The gasket, you can wipe that down and clean it up. On an annual basis, your group head gasket can be swapped out for a brand new gasket. You would also swap your screen that fits into the gasket and sits up into the group head. That can also be swapped out on an annual basis. We're going to let this soak for about 15 minutes and we'll come back and replace everything in the group. And now that our parts have soaked for about 15 minutes, we can take our cleaning brush and just give everything a good scrub just to get all of those oils off of the corners and get it cleaned up really nice. Once we have everything cleaned up, we'll replace our basket back into the portafilter. And again, on an annual basis, you'll want to swap out both your gasket and the screen. The gasket fits into place on the screen, and you could also use a little bit of Molly Coat to help let that slide up into place very easily. You can, using just water with your brush, scrub inside the group itself just to get oils and coffee that are around the seal where the gasket sits. Just get that cleaned out. And again, You don't want to get any detergent up in that group just because there's no pump pressure that is forcing that out. So you want to ensure that that soap is not going to get into your group and into your coffee when you're brewing. So once you have everything cleaned, you can place your gasket and screen back up into the group head. It easily slides into place with just a little bit of pressure. And now you can replace the portafilter back up into the group head. That's how you clean and maintain your group head on your Profitec Pro 800. For other videos on using your Pro 800, check out the links here. And for more tech tips, check out our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.